how to create a project in Affinity. Let's get into it. Start by opening up Affinity, then come up to File, choose New. This is going to open up this window here. Here you can search through presets if you have a specific preset that you want to use. They have a bunch of different configured presets. However, if you want to use specific measurements for what you need for your project, you can come over to the right here and make changes. So here we can choose between portrait or landscape orientation. You can change the document units from pixels to anything else that you need to use. There are a bunch of different options. Dots per inch, you can change this to whatever you want. For most digital formats, 72 is quite common. However, if you're working for print, I recommend using 300. If you want to manually change the page width and the page height, you can do so by changing these figures here. If you are working for print, you may need to consider margins and bleeds, so you can click into either of these and change the settings for what you need for your project. I'm just going to disable these for now. So with the configuration set, you can choose Create Document, and this is going to load the document into your Affinity, ready for you to start using, and that's all there is to it.